Do you have a laser engraver or cutter? And if you're anything like me, you're tired of seeing all the same type of, or a lot of similar type of engravings and personalization, engraved on birch plywood and whatnot. Just getting tired of it all. Well, maybe this video is for you, where I take something that's cut like this in the laser and I turn it into something like this. This is what I'm calling stained glass style wood art. I've also called it stained glass illusion. I did a survey on Reddit and they all said, yeah, stained glass style wood art was much better. So to represent what I'm making. So I'm going with that. And this video is pretty much just an overview again. Now I know a lot of people that have watched my videos have had questions and comments and emails asking, how do I do this part and how do I do this part? Fortunately, I haven't got around to making a video on those specific processes yet. I will get around to that at some point. All I can ask is at least, subscribe to the channel. I will get there, and then you'll get notified whenever I make a new video. Hopefully, next one will be one of those processes I'll share with you. So, but in the meantime, this video, enjoy it. It's just an overview, a lot of time lapse, and but it gives you an idea of the steps involved in making something like this. And again, future videos I'll break it down to how much time it takes, every aspect of things, so that you have an idea. But in the meantime, hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, of course, leave them down below, and let's get to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the overall production of this stained glass style wood art. As you can see in my mock-ups, I did use AI for the backgrounds and then use the image, superimposed. And I did make it look like, it's like a 4x4 size rather than just a 2x2 size, because that is one of the cool things about having a digital product, is that you can resize it as you want. And with the laser, just a little bit more different technique to ensure that you can make that big size, because of course my laser is not big enough to put a 4x4 foot plywood inside, but there are ways that you can do that. And if you want to learn more about that, you can check out this video where I made a moose or my barn scene as well. I'm not sure which one I'll put up there, but yeah, check it out and you'll see that I can actually make something that's way larger than my laser machine. So you're not limited to the size of machine that you have. So I hope that helps, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, or at least found it entertaining, hit the like button. And of course, if you want to see future videos where I'm going to go into more details of the specific process stages, then yeah, subscribe to the channel, because I will be making some videos on that. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Love to see them, and I do answer all of them. So until the next time, take care.